Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add a shop title on Etsy. So this is gonna be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, how to add a shop title. Your shop title is a brief bit of a text you can use to describe your shop. Is one aspect of your shop that you can use to influence search engine optimization. So when you enter a new shop title, or edit an existing one, you will be able to preview how it will look in Google search results. So now let's see how we can add it. So to add or edit your shop title on Etsy.com, go to your shop manager, select the pencil icon next to your shop name and the sales channel, then right below your shop name, select add shop title. Describe your shop is in one sentence or choose edit if you've already got a title. Then that's pretty much it. Now, if your shop isn't open yet, you won't be able to edit your shop title. So put that in mind. And your shop titles can be up to 55 characters long. And they appear right under your shop name on your shop homepage. Many sellers make it a tagline or slogan, or they state what they sell. So that's pretty much it on how you can add a shop title. Just don't forget, guys, if you are interested in changing it or adding it or whatever you want, you need to have your shop to be open. If it wasn't open yet, you won't be able to edit your shop title or do anything about that. So these are the few steps that you need to follow in order to add your shop title. This is good be done through PC or mobile. Just follow these few steps and you're gonna get there. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and give us a beautiful comment in the comment section. When that's being said, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.